Hey everyone, welcome back to I-5 Exteriors. Today we're coming to you from the roof of the historic Elks Lodge building, where a minor renovation is underway. We're going to take you behind the scenes with the crew and show you what it takes to transform a classic structure like this. Not only do we do phenomenal work on residential exteriors, but our team is ready for large-scale commercial exteriors as well. Let's take a look. One of the biggest challenges is working around the weather. 1 minute it's sunny and the next we're dodging rain showers. Plus, balancing on the roof is a whole skill set on its own. Thankfully, we're on a flat roof today. And look at this view. It's like we're on top of the world. Speaking of views, did you know this lodge has been a landmark in the community for over 100 years? Today, we're not just fixing a roof, we're preserving a piece of history. All right, check this out. The crew is repairing the old TPO membranes on protruding equipment. This process is so meticulous, the team has to adhere the membrane to create a full waterproof seal. This ensures the roof is not just functional, but also looks fantastic. I love seeing the progress each day. It's so satisfying to look back and see how much we've accomplished. Plus, I get to learn from some of the best in the business. Here's something cool. Sometimes roof coatings can prevent the need for roof replacement. They can be warranted and can be as little as half the price of a new roof. It's worth looking into, and you can call us for a free consultation. The most rewarding part is seeing the final result and knowing that we've done our part to keep this place safe and beautiful for years to come. It's all about pride in our work and leaving a lasting impact. And there you have it, folks. From the challenges of the weather to the satisfaction of a job well done, working on this roof is no small feat. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the construction process, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below about what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us on this rooftop adventure. Until next time, keep reaching for the sky, literally and figuratively. See you next video.